Good evening. My name is Jamel Lucas, and this is my submission for Dr. Doss's Digital Systems, Digital Signal Systems class. This is homework 8, and I am answering question 14.6. So here again is my little description with the sticky notes. As we said before, north-south bits are the first 3 bits of the output here. And the east-west are the last 3 bits. And then you have green, yellow, and red that will correspond to the color of the light at these different directional positions. So here we're going to march right into the state diagram. So here at question 14.6, it wanted us to not only have a car east-west signal, but also a car north-south um, signal. So here I'm going to march through how this state diagram answers the 14.6 question. When we're in the green north-south traffic light position, it's going to check the car east-west signal to see if there's a car. Now, if there is not a car, we will remain in the green north-south position. If there's a car, we're going to advance and progress to the yellow north-south position. From there, we're going to progress to the green east-west position. Now, when we're at the green east-west position, it's going to check the car north-south signal. If there is not a car in the north-south direction, then we're going to remain in the green east-west signal or state. If there is a car in the north-south directional position, then we're going to progress to the yellow east-west state, and from the yellow east-west state, we're going to go back to that green north-south state. So now I'm going to go over to the FSM code to show you how I've integrated that within my system. Here's the inclusion of the libraries. Here is the entity declaration as well as the IO declarations. And again, we have all of the same bits from the 14.3 problem except for the inclusion of the car north-south signal. We have a few less states because this time we didn't have to include the all lights are red state. So here you just have the green north-south, yellow north-south, as well as the green east-west and yellow east-west. Here, this first process block will show you that the program's reset is asynchronous and not dependent on the clock. And here's because this process block is going to describe the logic of how the FSM transitions from state to state. So here when we're in the green north-south position, it's going to check again that car east-west signal. And if there is a car in the east-west position, we're going to advance to yellow north-south state. If it's not, then we're going to remain, if there is no car, sorry, in the east-west position, then we're going to remain in the green north-south state. Now, once we are in that yellow north-south state, because it has seen a car, we are going to transfer from the yellow north-south state to the green east-west state. Once we're in the green east-west state, now we're going to check the north-south position for a car. If there is no car, we're going to remain in the green east-west state. If there is a car, we're going to progress to the yellow east-west position down here. And from the yellow east-west position, we're going to go back to the green north-south position. Now I'd like to direct your attention to the simulation code. So here again we have that reset that you can ignore for now because I use the reset later on. But again, just like the last code, this one starts in the green north-south position. So you'll see that it will remain in this green north-south position until it sees a 1 in the car east-west spot, as well as it approaches a clock's rising edge. So here you have the 1 in the car east-west position, and at the clock's first rising edge, you'll see it transfers to the yellow north-south position. So it was in the green north-south position here, and at that once it sees that car east-west signal, it's going to transfer over to the yellow north-south position, and from there it's going to go to the green east-west position. Now the green east-west position is going to remain until it sees a car in that north-south position. So here, once it sees a car and at the clock's first rising edge, after it sees a car in that north-south position, you now have a transfer from the green east-west to the yellow east-west. And from there, we're going to go back to the green north-south. Now, I would like to direct your attention to the reset. And once I hit reset up here, the code is going to remain in this green north-south position until the reset bit comes down. Thank you for your time, and have a great day.